Can you withdraw from Kraken immediately? Intro. Question hook. Can you withdraw from Kraken immediately? It's a question that many crypto enthusiasts have asked themselves, especially during market volatility or when they need quick access to their funds. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the world of Kraken withdrawals, exploring the factors that influence withdrawal times, the different methods available, and the security measures in place to protect your assets. Understanding Kraken withdrawals. What is Kraken? Let's start by understanding what Kraken is. It's a popular cryptocurrency exchange known for its security, liquidity, and a wide range of supported assets. When you withdraw funds from Kraken, you're essentially transferring your cryptocurrencies or fiat currency out of your Kraken account to another wallet or bank account. Factors affecting withdrawal times. Several factors can influence how quickly your withdrawal is processed. These include withdrawal method. Different withdrawal methods have varying processing times. For instance, withdrawing to a bank account might take longer than withdrawing to a cryptocurrency wallet. Withdrawal amount. Larger withdrawal amounts may require additional verification steps, which can slightly delay processing. Network congestion. If the blockchain network you're withdrawing to is experiencing congestion, it can impact the confirmation time of your transaction. Kraken's internal processes. Kraken's internal systems and procedures also play a role in determining withdrawal times. Popular withdrawal methods. Cryptocurrency wallets. One of the most common methods is to withdraw your cryptocurrencies to external wallets. This is often the fastest option, as it involves transferring funds directly between blockchain networks. Bank transfers. If you prefer to withdraw fiat currency, you can transfer funds to your bank account. However, this process can take longer due to bank verification procedures and potential delays in the banking system. Other methods. Kraken may offer additional withdrawal methods, such as wire transfers or checks, depending on your location and preferences. Security considerations. Two-factor authentication. 2FA. Kraken strongly encourages users to enable 2FA to enhance the security of their accounts. This adds an extra layer of protection by requiring a second verification step, such as a code sent to your phone or email. Cold storage. Kraken stores a significant portion of its cryptocurrency reserves in cold storage, which are offline wallets that are highly secure and resistant to hacking. Regular security audits. Kraken conducts regular security audits to identify and address potential vulnerabilities. Can you withdraw immediately? The short answer, while Kraken strives to process withdrawals as quickly as possible, it's not always feasible to withdraw immediately. Factors like network congestion, withdrawal amounts, and security protocols can influence processing times. Best practices. To minimize delays and ensure a smooth withdrawal experience, consider the following. Plan ahead. If you anticipate needing to withdraw funds, plan ahead and initiate the process in advance. Verify information. Double-check the withdrawal address or bank account details to avoid errors that could delay processing. Stay updated. Keep an eye on Kraken's announcements and status updates for any information that might affect withdrawal times. Conclusion. Recap. In this video, we've explored the factors that influence Kraken withdrawal times, the different methods available, and the security measures in place to protect your funds. While it's not always possible to withdraw immediately, understanding the process and taking proactive steps can help you have a smooth experience. Final thought. Remember, the security of your crypto assets is paramount. Always prioritize using strong passwords, enabling 2FA, and being cautious of phishing attempts. Call to action. Subscribe. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more crypto-related content and tips. Share this video with your friends and family who are interested in cryptocurrency and Kraken. Outro. Closing statement. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.